The Crisis Alert badge can be used to activate two types of alerts. A staff alert is for everyday incidents, such as a medical emergency or student altercation. A campus-wide alert is for extreme emergencies, such as an active shooter or weather event. To initiate a staff alert, push the button on your badge 3 times. Push the button firmly. You will hear a click after each push. After the 3rd push, the badge will vibrate. This vibration confirms that the alert has been sent. The responders at your location will receive a notification in their Crisis Alert application that you need help and where you are located. To initiate a campus-wide alert, push the button on your Crisis Alert badge until the alert is activated. Push the button firmly and continue pushing through the vibrations. You will know the campus-wide alert has been activated when you hear an intercom announcement, see flashing strobes, and see an alert message displayed on computer screens connected to the network.